Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can set a custom status on Discord. So go here, just hover over your profile picture, select it, and then press set a custom status. And then I'm just going to write my status, for instance sleepy. I can also add in an emoji here, so let's just do that. Where is it? Sleepy, for instance this one. And then you can also press this clear after today for hours, an hour, 30 minutes, or even don't clear. Just going to choose the 30 minutes one, and then you're also going to set the sleepy status for invisible, and then you're going to press save. And then as you can see, there is like a sleepy status here. You can then just delete it if you want to clear your status, as you can see, and set up another one. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!